Boating and recreational water sports should be fun, so let us focus on the financing. Our online tools provide everything you need in a few easy clicks. Estimate monthly payments, request trade-in evaluations, or instantly apply for pre-approval. Simply visit ThayersMarine.com and choose Financing, or ask for help today.
Do you already own a boat? We've got whatever you need. That includes outstanding repair expertise that covers everything from fiberglass to canvas to vinyl. Our parts selection is titanic, and our certified technicians service all outboard motor brands. We also handle welding, specialized installations, and more. For details, visit ThayersMarine.com. You trust Ranger boats because they represent top-of-the-line quality and legendary performance. So you should know that Thayer's Marine was named 2018 Ranger Dealer of the Year. Our sales volume is only